go back to my similar story. So again, we have the football game going on tonight, and I say, you know what? I don't want to give you credit if you or your parents show up. I will only give you credit now if you and your parent show up and check in with me. So therefore, if you show up, you do get an automatic A for the quarter? If you just show up? No. If your parents just show up, do you get credit for, do you get A? No. So when I say and, you and your parent both have to be present. One of them does not count, like the or. Okay? So the exact same thing when we're doing an inequality, we're only looking for when both inequalities are true. It's very, very important. I'll say this one more time. When we're graphing an and inequality, we're looking for when both of the inequalities are true. Very, very, very important for you guys to understand. So let's go ahead and graph these on the same number line. But unlike or, we're only going to graph where they intersect. So I'll go to 7, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Again, I'll put 2 dots at each one, 2 and 7. Now notice this is greater than, not greater than, or equal to. This is greater than, not greater than, or equal to. So that's going to be open. This is less than, or equal to, I'm sorry. So that's shaded. All right. So when you guys are doing this, what I always like to do is kind of do not some dummy shading, but just do smaller shading like with a pencil before you graph your final solution. So 2 is greater, x is greater than 2. Again, is 4 greater than 2? That's true. Is 0 greater than 2? That's false. So I'm going to shade to the right. Now remember, this graph goes infinitely to the right, right? Then I have x is less than or equal to 7. Is 8 greater than or equal to 7? Or 8 less than or equal to 7? No. Is 0 less than or equal to 7? Yes. So I'm going to shade all the way to the left. But remember what I talked about. When we're shading, when we're graphing and, we only are concerned where both of them are true. So here, it's only true for x is less than or equal to 7. It's not true for x is greater than 2. So therefore, out here is not part of the solution. Out here is not part of the solution. The only part of the solution where it's true for both of them is in between my 2 points. So then I can simply go ahead and erase this. And I have my solution. Make sense? Yes?